talk about Sunday or Saturday or Friday, see, sometimes it happened. The last day, sometimes it happened that it ended on Sunday, or maybe the starting it happened Sunday or Saturday or Friday. Well, let me just assure the people of the state, this is not that we really wanted to do it in during Sunday, but because this is the program of 3-4 days, so it ended. It so happened that it ended Sunday. What we decided is we have already instructed even those organizers for this time, for this time, since it is ended on Sunday, let the function start maybe after 3 o'clock in the afternoon of Sunday. Let it start by the after 3 o'clock, after the church service and all. Then let again the program be started. And I would request everybody, let us be cool, calm. Okay, let us be cool, calm, and then we will see maybe from next year onwards to calculate the date accordingly, so that everybody, they are happy, everybody are also benefited out of this festival. Okay, I would like to say that this is the sentimental step. Okay, because it's so sentimental. People, I think you understand well. Here it is known as a Christian state. Some of our honorable, be it church leaders or even the members of the NGOs, they have that sentiment. Okay, they have that sentiment. I appreciate that sentiment, no doubt about it. From the government's side, I don't say that it's wrong. It is right. But for this festival, which is going to happen next month, I've already told you, for the ending part, to adjust accordingly, we have decided, we have already asked the organizers to start the function only after the church service happened to everybody.